In this experiment, you'll be dropping ball bearings into a graduated cylinder of glycerol to measure the glycerol's viscosity. Note that your station will be equipped with both a water sprayer and an ethanol sprayer. The water is good with paper towels for cleaning up small glycerol spills, while the ethanol is good for disinfecting items. You will need to weigh the glycerol you use in the graduated cylinder, and for that, we supply this humble kitchen scale. It has the simple controls you might expect. On, off, and tare are all the same button here on the left. And on the right, you just have the button to change the units and measure. To use it, quickly turn it on, and put the thing you want to weigh on top. One handy feature is the tare feature, which zeroes the scale with the object on it, so that if you add some more weight, like more glycerol, and you only get the weight of that added glycerol. When you're done, turn it off, and hold on the button here to turn it off. Note that we have a smaller scale here that you can use for weighing the little ball bearings. If the small scale is giving you inaccurate readings, there is a recalibration procedure you can use with the supplied 10-gram calibration masses. Read the manual on the wiki for more details. Now, ideally, in this experiment, you will have a lab partner to pour glycerol into the cylinder so that you can minimize the number of air bubbles in your glycerol. However, we live in special circumstances. Just do your best and don't do anything awkward that could break glassware or spill large amounts of glycerol. You will have a couple of options to lift the ball bearings out of the graduated cylinder. If you're a piece of mesh is on a stick that you can put in the cylinder. So when you drop ball bearings in, hopefully they fall down into the mesh, and then you can pull the mesh up. And use tweezers to pull out the ball bearings. The other strategy that you don't want to use here is to use a magnet. Attract the ball bearing on the side of the cylinder here. Attract it all the way to the top, where you can then pluck it out using the aforementioned tweezers. By the way, our computers use magnetic hard drives, so please keep those magnets away from our computers. When you are done with glycerol, please pour it back into the bottle. But first, check that you've removed all the ball bearings from the cylinder.